Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download ZIP unzip software on your computer, and you can use that software to zip unzip your ZIP files. So for downloading that software, press on Window key and then open Microsoft Store on your computer. And here on the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, search here ZIP unzip. So here you can see a software named ZIP unzip is showing. Now click on it. Now click on Get to download the software. And just wait. It will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download. So here you can see it is getting ready and checking dependencies. So here you can see it is downloading. Will take a few seconds according to your internet connection. So here you can see it is now installed. Now by clicking on open, you can launch this software. So I have clicked on open. Now just wait. So here you can see it is giving a newbie guide. So this is how you can set up this software on your computer. And here are the options to do many operations. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.